What's good, y'all? Dude, this shit like poked my fucking eye earlier. Holy shit, I haven't face cam in a while. Bro, if I do this though. Oh wait, hold on. Fuck this shit. Fucking this. Alright, well, hold on, let me do this real quick. Boom. Pretty decent day today. You know, I'm gonna get this out the way actually. Whatever. Alright. Christmas win. I did copy trade. Okay, so 2 trades today. Copy traded one of them. And then the second one I didn't copy trade because it looked too bullish. And yeah, let's get into it though. First of all, I'm gonna go ahead and take this off because I don't think there's a point of it. Bang, bitch. Alright, so let's get into it. Let's get a deep dive into my freaking mindset, man. So, coming today, we had CPI data, 8:30, and I was looking at the markets around. I don't fucking know, but I was pretty bullish on the day. Honestly, I was like already fucking bullish. I was like, well, okay, 2 scenarios would have happened, right? It's either I already drew it out too. That's crazy. I'm gonna delete this. It's either we come up and go down lower to unmitigated gaps, or we go down lower and then higher to unmitigated gaps. So just playing off of like whichever unmitigated gaps gets hit first and go to the other side. That's the direction I'll be trading in. So yeah. Anyways. I'm really getting used to like copy trading my accounts and stuff, bro. Cause it gets really annoying since I have 2 different like accounts. Like I trade with Top Step, but it's so fucking annoying. Cause bro, one's TradeAway and one's a Top Step X. So once I get like 4 Top Step X accounts, I'm gonna go ahead and like, you feel me, get away that TradeAway account and just full port that bitch. I ain't gonna lie. Anyways, so yeah, let's see what happens at market open first. Focus on NQ today. Oh, this looks so chop work, bro. It looks like a fucking, I don't even know. It's like blind, bro. Anyways, exactly what I wanted happened at first, except I got a break even on the first trade, and it kind of happened on the second trade. But yeah, I think this was pretty fucking good. Like, literally exactly what I wanted kind of happened basically, where I wanted price to open at market open, and then come down to the 15-minute unmitigated gap, and we go to the 4 hour. So that's what I wanted to happen, and on the 5-minute, we go low. Actually, let me mark this out real quick. Hold on. Focus on this bigger one, right? We go lower, tapping into this unmitigated gap on the 15-minute, and we hit OT of this range as well. I was like, alright, bet. This is fucking amazing, right? And I took a 1-minute IFG on my first trade. And this was the stop loss. So I got about like a 1.2, but I got to break even because I was aiming for here. Honestly, I was aiming around here. So 1.7, but it didn't freaking hit. It got break even. It did go to at least a 1-1, and it looked like it respected this BPR area. It didn't even fucking respect it, but I guess whatever. And it came back down. And took me out. I break even on both my accounts, and that was crazy, bro. That was like my first ever time actually like copy trading my accounts correctly, as I should be. So I was like, damn, this is fucking fire. And I have to get used to that and copy trading that shit across multiple accounts soon, starting next year. Cause I'm gonna be stacking these accounts up like crazy next year, bro. I'm just not right now because I'm not trying to trade during Thanksgiving week. I mean, what? During Christmas week. Anyways, so boom, one break even literally right after this gets hit, and I actually got kind of lucky because I brought my break even like it went. I should have got break even like ideally, not ideally, but like mechanically, but it literally went boom and just went up, back up again. I put my break even like right here. I was like, oh shit, I guess I'm still in it. So technically, I should have got break even on this, but I don't like to do that because I like to give my trade some like time to breathe or whatever. But yeah, it did hit at least a 1-to-1, but uh, yeah, I didn't. I should have. Okay, that's low-key one thing I should have done. Low-key. Okay, yeah, I should have just took out at a 1-to-1 because it is December, and knowing how it is, I did. Oh fuck, I really forgot to do that. But I was just kind of focusing on this like on the skill or whatever, I guess, in my narrative and bias, which was to go up here, which did happen, but except the first trade took me out break even on both accounts. Um, yeah. So boom, I got a break even, and then I was like, okay, I'll probably get a re-entry, maybe off like this 5 minute getting respected right here. It didn't get respected, but I didn't see price. I was like, okay, maybe this happens 1 hour low, or 1 hour low, and it's 1 hour unmitigated gap, right? Because 10 a.m. open, I was kind of expecting like, oh shit, it probably. I'm not gonna get scared of nothing, because it's gonna be 10 a.m. And what do we know about 10 a.m. If I think it's going higher, it's probably gonna come down a little bit more and then go higher after, right? Which is what happened. Dang, I missed out on like a little bit more. I ain't tripping though. I don't want to fuck. I didn't want to get greedy. I wanted to hold a little bit longer, but I didn't want to be a greedy faggot. Oh, Santa Claus, what are you doing? Anyways, so yeah, uh, yeah, price takes me out break even, and then I was like, maybe we can get respect off this 5 minute, and maybe take a 30-second or some type of IFG to go higher. That didn't happen. We actually went all the way lower and respected everything to this side. And I was like, maybe we're gonna like go lower and hit this 1 hour thing right here. So I was waiting for that. Maybe even get SMT off that. That never fucking happened. I was like, huh, that's strange. And I was like, damn, we were like stalling for a bit. And I was like, okay, interesting, all right. And then we literally like fucking ripped ass. And I was like, oh my gosh, what the hell's going on? And I was like, all right, what IFG can I take this off of? And I was like, okay, the highest time frame leg I'll ever take usually is a 5 minute. And like that's like kind of like the only thing. I mean, you can take a 4 minute, but like they're all the same thing. I'm pretty sure. I low-key could have took a 3 minute, but it wasn't the highest time frame leg. I'm not too well with that stuff. So I was like, you know what I'm saying? So um yeah, I was thinking about taking a 3 minute. But I was like, okay, you know what? I'm gonna go ahead and take the 5 minute just to be more safe. If I miss the trade, I miss trade. Gladly, I got the 5 minute that I wanted, and I went break even. After this, how I got taken out, and it hit, it freaking hit. Yeah, but the second trade, I only took this on one account, so I'm pretty annoyed at myself. Cause I was thinking about, I was like, okay, you know what, my top sub X account, I'll probably take like I was like, dang, it's a breakaway gap, like maybe we go down a little bit, or whatever, and like if we I mean, not break. Yeah, I was like, this might be a breakaway gap. I might just rip up, or might retrace a little bit before hitting the break even spot, and then I can enter off of my top step X count as well, and aim for that, and then get a better RR. So it would have been like what fucking whatever the fuck, like boop, almost like an extra 0.5 R. So 1-2, but that didn't happen. So I was like, okay, if it doesn't happen, oh well. And I only took out my trade account, so that happened, and that's pretty much it. Also, I want to kind of state this just to kind of, dude, get this fucking thing off my, it's just making me itch. I was thinking about it like, okay, why would price not come down to here? And I was like, huh, it's already because, yes, there's a 1 hour unmitigated, but I think the reason, of course, just always the multiple reasons in trading, you can't like really fucking say, oh, this is the reason why. But for my understanding and my theory or whatever, and either way, these are just concepts at the end of the day. But I think because how I think of it is the fact that we already hit OTE, and like that's kind of like already a fucking like, you could literally enter off OTE only if you wanted to. But yeah, we already hit OTE, and what's it called? Dang, bro. OTE the method though, low key. Like price wouldn't really like come back to that low if we already hit OTE for this first like leg or whatever the fuck. So that's kind of my reasoning for that. But what else I really gotta say? Oh yeah, we got unmitigated fair value up to the downside too, but I didn't really think we would go down there. And also, for people who think, oh, we have unmitigated gap. Oh yeah, also, my bad. For my second trade, we inversed the 4 hour, and I was like, that's pretty good, fucking confident, and it goes with 10 a.m. candle. 10 a.m. open, 10 a.m. open, low, high. Wait, whatever the fuck, bro. You know what the fuck I'm trying to say. But yeah, it went with that, and yeah, I could have took a second trade or third. I don't want. I'm only taking 2 trades for not chat, but I could have took a third trade if I wanted to go to this. But I was like, it won't be as probable because like most of the targets are already taken out. Like if everything was still open, I would have took a third trade from on my top specs account and then just banged. But the 4 hour I got tapped, I was like, okay, I'm definitely now not fucking taking any trades on top X account because that was my main TP in the first place. But my TP for this second trade in general was just honestly this 1 hour BPR, which did get hit. I could have held a little bit longer, but I didn't want to fucking get greedy and shit. So yeah, yeah, there's unmitigated fair value to the downside as well, but I didn't really like see a point of us doing that. It's like we kind of broke structure on the 4 hour and like whatnot. Not just that, but like, let me see. I don't know if people were aiming for his data low or not, cause my partner, my trading partner did aim for his quote unquote data low, but I don't know. I think he was tripping. I don't want to call him out or anything, but like, for those type of data lows, I didn't think we would come all the way down there at all because, like, and I kind of learned from Dodgy as well. Him and Dodgy were telling me how I used to aim for like data lows like these, but like that's not really a data low because it looks like shit. Like it doesn't stand out as much as like this high would, Like this would be if it would like look very much like a data low, like an actual some shit like this probably. Then sure, but it looks like any other fucking candle at the bottom. So I didn't think that would be any type of good target at all. So, but yeah, like coming today, bro, I was like driving home from the gym and I was like, yo, I want longs off this shit. Like, I want to come down this fair value gap and go higher this 4 hour unmitigated to the buy side. And that's exactly what happened, and that's why I had so much confidence in it. I actually upped my risk, and that's probably why I copy traded both accounts on that first trade. Wish this would have hit, but I guess the Jews were like, yeah, no, that's too easy for you. I probably took some people out, and they maybe not have taken the second trade. But I had a very, very strong conviction in today. I love like days like these, bro. Like this is fucking perfect, A plus in my opinion. Like I love unmitigated gaps more than. No, I'm not gonna say that. Never mind. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I don't think I have anything else to say. Where's my higher time frame bias? Where I think we're going. Inverse that. I think we're going lower to be honest, but I don't fucking know. I might not trade tomorrow to be honest. If there's like nothing good tomorrow, I'm not trading it. But I'm not gonna trade my top specs account for a while until like maybe even like the second week of January. I'll see, bro. I'll see, and even then, I might just only aim for 1-to-1s of the whole January. On my top specs account next year. Pretty good. Decent way to end off the year. Yeah. Thanks be to God, by the way. Thanks be to God. Oh yeah, I was thinking, if I would have hit this first trade, I would have made like, brother, I would have made like decent amount, but I didn't, and I said, let me post my TikTok. I was like, if I hit this trade, I'm gonna go Target and buy some random kid, like a toy or some shit, which it didn't happen. So I'm not gonna buy a kid toy. Well, I'll see. I'm gonna just do it tomorrow. I'm planning on doing it anyways. But yeah.